Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended 16th February 2024. Your weekly guide to all the key events in the equity market. In key macroeconomic news, India's CPI eased to a 3-month low of 5.1% year-on-year, in line with expectations. In the US, CPI and core CPI rose faster than expected, and this resulted in a sharp spike in both the 2-year and 10-year US government bond yields. On the other hand, US retail sales tumbled 0.8% month-on-month, the biggest drop since March 23, and far sharper drop than was estimated by analysts. Eurozone GDP continues to struggle. It remains stagnant quarter-on-quarter in the fourth quarter. On a year-on-year basis, Eurozone GDP rose by a marginal 0.1%. Nifty rallied sharply during the week to end higher by 258 points. The small cap indices witnessed a sharp correction on Monday and Tuesday, but still managed to close in the green. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Auto rose 4.3%, while the BSE Oil and Gas Index rose 3%, led by Oil India and ONGC. Among losers, Nifty Metals dropped by about 1.5%. In select market movers, shares of Natco Pharma rose 22% after the company's profit tripled over the last year. Shares of Mahindra & Mahindra also gained 11% after the company reported a 61% year-on-year growth in its net profit. Shares of Bharat Forge declined 14% after the management guided that growth momentum would moderate in both domestic and export markets across industry. Shares of Hindalco Industries fell 13% after its US subsidiary Novelis revised the project cost of its greenfield project higher by 61% to an estimated $4.1 billion. FIIs continued to be net sellers, selling rupees 6,200 crores of equities and cash. DIIs continued to be net buyers, buying about 8,730 crores of equities and cash last week. US markets witnessed some profit booking as the Nasdaq Composite Index fell by 1.3% last week. This section will discuss select reports published by our research teams. You can access these reports on our website. Our institutional research team came out with a strategy note analyzing the valuation of various indices. Remember, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 have delivered returns of 22%, 56% and 66% in 2023. After these strong returns, based on an analysis of the price to book, all three indices seem overvalued at the aggregate level. What is important is that 70% of stocks in each of these indices are trading above their long-term average. This level of overvaluation and breadth has been seen only a few times in the past 20 years. MCX reported strong revenue growth of 16% quarter-on-quarter, driven primarily by options. Our team expects options notional CAGR of 85% over FY23 to FY26. We have increased our target price to Rs 4,100. Prestige Estates pre-sales outperformance continues. The company reported the second highest pre-sales ever in any quarter. We have increased our target price to Rs 1,390 per share. Mahindra & Mahindra delivered a steady performance during the quarter. We remain positive on the company because of a strong order backlog in UVs, new launches in the tractor segment, and focused strides to achieve a strong position in electric vehicles. We increased our target price to Rs 1,862 per share. Our retail research team came out with a note on Scient DLM. The company is the leading integrated electronic manufacturing services and solutions provider. Our team recommends buying in the range of 768 to 784 for a base case target price of Rs 845 and a bull case target price of Rs 905. That is all for this week. Please note that the securities discussed were for educational and information purposes only. Thank you.